Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, internet. Welcome my people back to the channel. Now today's vlog, I'm going to Two Rivers Mall to buy a tent for sleeping for the big party. So I'm heading to Two Rivers Mall to buy my new tent for camping because the other tent I'm having, I normally use is not good. It's not in a good condition. So I want at least a tent that even if it rains, water won't be able to get inside my mattress, sleeping bag. So I'm going to Decathlon. It's a big brand, international, but it's only found at Two Rivers Mall. So that's where I'm heading now. And let me show you the way. So this is the way to the Two Rivers Mall. So I decided to take a matatu, is like a minibus. At the moment, just some issues, and the weather's not looking good in Nairobi today. It's too much raining. University Hospital, Nairobi. So guys, this is the famous Karura Forest. Embassy of India. Israel Embassy. Karura Forest. embassy of Poland. So my people, here I am, Two Rivers Mall, the biggest mall in Kenya so far. So I'm going to look for a tent from the Catholic company for I Am Maro's villa party. I was opening a party for camping, so it's only here I can find a good tent. So let's see what they have. in store. So my people, are you ready for the big party? I have a nice list of DJs who are coming to perform for I Am Moro Villa party. So if you are a DJ, a musician, a performer, any kind of an artist, let me know. Hit me up on my DM, One Drop Entertainment channel, Instagram. Let me know. And what kind of artist performer you are, so we can see if we can give you a spot. We got only 2 weeks remaining. Everything is set up, the sound system is ready, and all the DJs, they are ready. So see you soon in Nyambo Anse, and I'm ready to give you one of best event in Kenya. So I'm going to give you a night to remember from November 18 all the way to December 18. So this is the Two Rivers Mall. So I'm going here to look for a tent. And for the new subscribers, thank you so much and welcome to the channel. See you in the Decathlon. Carrefour inside Two Rivers, and we are going upstairs inside the Decathlon. Oh, they have Zara here. Zara. So my people, let me know what kind of music you like to be played at I Am Moro Villa Medellin. We're gonna play like dancehall music, reggae music, EDM, Afro house, R&B, techno, African music, bongo flavor, Afrobeat, Kenyan music, Kenyan local music. So let me know. Oh my God, they have started preparing for Christmas. Oh my God. And this is the shop. The last time I bought from Dubai at the Decathlon, and I'm coming here to check if they have a nice tent. So let me see you once I purchase a new tent. So guys, I found what I needed, and this is the tent, and this is the price. This is the price. This is my tent. This is a sleeping mattress, and there's a small one here also. 37,000. So there's no need of buying that one. So this I'll buy this one. This is what I'm buying. So it has like a sleeping area here, and it has another sleeping area, and here you can sit down, play games, mingle with each other. So I'm getting this one for myself and my crew. So this is what I'm buying. And this Decathlon, they sell a lot of stuff, tents. You see, like this one is a small tent. It's like 14,900, 19,400, sorry. And there's small tents also, these ones 12,000. There's another one also here, 31,000, and a lot of stuff. So I need a tent. I have a blanket, just a tent and a sleeping mattress. That's all what I need for today. Tent and my sleeping mattress. And there's something else I need. So my people, this is what I'm getting. Let me know if it's too big or it's too small. The good thing with this tent, if it rains, it cannot get, it is waterproof. It is a waterproof tent. It is waterproof, and it has a mosquito net. Let me check the sleeping bags. There is this one, sleeping bag. You just get inside. I don't need that one. I need this one. This one. The price is 12,000. They don't have a cheap one. This one is 70 meters by 90 meters. Let me see this one they have here. This one they have here. So this one is 7,000. This one is 7,000. This one is 6,000. And this one is 4,000. This one is 4,000. And there's also this one. There's a bed here. There's a small bed. And this one, you have like 6,000. It's like a and I think to buy some camping pots for cooking. So guys, I'm trying to see what kind of mattress I need to buy. Inflammable mattress. This is a bed. I don't need a bed. And let me see. There's something else I needed to buy, but I forgot. There's something I needed to buy, but I forgot. But let me just go around and check. So guys, this is the best shop to buy the sporting equipment. All kind of sporting equipment. You can get them at Decathlon. What is this? Yeah, I need a pump. Pump. But everything here is very expensive. But it's quality, good quality. Expensive, but good quality. And I was planning to buy a bike. Oh, here's where they sell skating shoes. Yes, I remember now what I wanted. I wanted like a plastic rain bags. So when it's raining, I can be able to cover myself and walk around with my sound system. Let me ask them, where's the rain bags? Hey boss, hizi raincoats ziko wapi? Raincoats. Oh. Nini za mvua ziko wapi raincoats? Raincoats? Unaona after ile nini mannequin? Hapo hivyo mbele utaiona. Okay. Kuna marine ponchos. Ziko hapo. Alafu this other side. Yeah. Behind the tent. Kuna zile ziko okay. So I want to buy a raincoat. I want to buy this tent I showed you guys, this one, and a raincoat. Let me pick a call from someone. Hello. Nzuri. Let me check. Wacha niangalie. Ngoja kidogo niangalie alafu nikupigie saizi. Okay. So I need to buy this one. This is a raincoat. So what's the price? The price is 1,850. Yeah, I need this one just in case it rains. In case it's raining, I will be safe. I'll be safe. And what's this? This is a backpack, and I need waterproof boots. Waterproof gumboots. Waterproof gumboots. Waterproof gumboots. Kids section, not that area. That is kids section. So it should be somewhere in here. So this one is 1,850. Oh, my back is a little bit old. Maybe I'll get one of these soon. For the price, I'll get one of these soon. These ones. Not these ones. I need some shorts for training also. But I have many shorts. So where are the gumboots? So this sleeping bag, or should I buy a mattress? That's the big question. So let me check. Let me put this one here. Let me put this one and take the mattress and see this. Yeah, the size. This one is the size I need. This one is comfortable for me alone. Yeah, this one is comfortable. Yeah, this one is very comfortable. And you see the big thing with the trend is waterproof. This material from here is waterproof. So there's no way we're going to have water inside. So that's it. Let me try the other one. This one is a little bit big. Bigger than the other one. This one is bigger. It's a bigger mattress, can accommodate 2 people. So this one can accommodate 2 people. This mattress. And another mattress here. Okay. So guys, I got my tent. I got 2 mattresses. 1, 2. This is a rainy coat. 1 chair. And these are so 1 mattress will be here, another mattress will be here, and here I'll put like stools for chilling out. So let me make the payment and see you on the next one. Thanks, and see you at Nyamboanze Villa Medellin Music Festival. If you want a nice camping tent, waterproof, come and check at Decathlon. They have a variety of tents. You see, like these ones, small ones, these sizes, many sizes, and these are nice brand, international brand. Though the tents, they are very expensive now. Actually, I had this tent before, like I think 4 years ago, and it was like $250, no, $200, 28,000 Kenyan shilling. But now it has doubled because of the taxes. So be ready for the big party, my people. See you soon in Nyamboanze. Peace out until the next one. Shopping done. And let's see what's happening here around Two Rivers Mall. So I think I should go this way. It's a very big mall. I forgot where the elevators are, so I need to press. Then 0. So guys, I am ready for the big party. Party after party. So see you there. I'm missing Angomo so much. Angomo, I miss him so much. But let me see what's by Sunday inside I need some shirts. I need to buy some shirts. $3,000.
So 75 ml. How are you? What's up, sir?
What are you selling? This one on that side.
So all
Choo, 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 choo. Yeah, thanks. So this is Two Rivers Mall, front side. That area you see they have something called go-karting. And this is a main stage, a small stage. Two Rivers Mall. I'm coming from that Decathlon. And there's water sports here for the kids. Oh my god. So this is water sport games. So goodbye to Rivers Mall.